declutter and organise your linen cupboard in 60 seconds. As you can see in this linen cupboard, most of the actual linen itself is badly stacked. So firstly, you want to lay your items out on a flat surface and then grab each individual set. Fold from corner to corner to create a rather large square. Then within that is take your pillowcases and lay them flat in the middle. From there, it's a matter of what we call enveloping. So it's taking the right-hand corner across to the middle and then again taking the left-hand corner across to meet the other side. You'll find that this is very handy when it comes to selecting your bed linen from the cupboard, because all you're having to do is grab one parcel. Also, labelling your shelves is really important. It's simpler for everyone to find what they're looking for and also put it back where it belongs, creating a greater level of maintenance. So there you go, that's much better, which will make it easier for yourself and your family to find what you need when you need it.